This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find email with using company domain. At first, right click on the website. Click on the copy. Minimize Excel program. Open Google Chrome. Type google.com in the address bar. Paste the company domain but don't search. Don't use long URL, just use domain. Just delete the long URL. Only use domain like. Now you have to use formula. At first you have to input company website, then space email. Now press enter. Before collecting mail, you must have to check the company name and company location. This is the company email which I am searching for.